Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. You have to start by update software version, and to do this we need to use Xiaomi Earbuds application, and of course we need to add this earbud to the app. And you will see the same menu right here. You scroll down and we have update firmware here. Tap at this line and you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check it and also update software version. Firmware is the same as software. And when you sign in into your account, you tap on it, and if you see the information at the bottom, it means that you have the last software version, and if you haven't, you can just tap on it and enter inside. But I cannot, because I have the last software version. Now, if it didn't help you, or you haven't the newest software version, next step, in the application, I recommended to go to additional settings, so located under the audio effects. And right here we have in-ear detection, and by default it turn on. When this mode turn on, it means that when you listen to music and remove your earbuds, it will pause your music, and when you then return your earbuds to your ears, you will resume the music. So to enable this mode, you need to tap one time at the slider near to it. And also I recommend it to restart audio player. So let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud or Spotify or your browser. You need to remove this application from the cache and then open it again. And also check if you have the last version of this application, so go to the App Store or Google Play and check it. If it also didn't help you, I recommended to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case, and then at the bottom, near to USB-C port, we have connectional button. You need to press and hold this connectional button for at least 10 seconds until the LED light on the front side flashed white 3 times. So press and hold. Firstly, it starts blinking white because it's entered to pairing mode. You just keep holding. One, 2, 3. Now you can release your finger. And then we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So open settings and go to the Bluetooth or connected devices. At the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top. And if you have iOS, you need to or turn off and turn off the Bluetooth, or just go back and return. But it doesn't work on iOS 26, so if you have iOS 26, I recommend it to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, but maybe they will fix this problem. So after that, after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically. So you don't need to use connectional button, you just tap at your earbuds at the device list, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!